Staple these wires. Don't staple it tight where it might bite into your wire, but just snug it up. Try to staple it center of your board, your 2x4. See how I staple the wires? You want to put your staple about 4 to 6 inches of the box. Don't put your staple right here at the box. Put about 4 to 6 inches, and then the staples cannot be more than 4 foot apart. So if you had a going all the way up this whole stud, you want at least one in the middle. I got staples right here. This one coming up. I put a staple right there. Staple about 4 to 6 inches of the box, and no more than 4 feet apart. I mentioned about nail plates. There they are. You can also get them in different sizes. This size or the shorter one. Try to drill your whole center of your studs if you can. But the most important thing is to know what size screw you're going to use, like when you're putting your sheetrock. I'll probably use about 1.25 inches. So I put nail plates here because it's on the edge of the stud. But like right here, I don't have to put a nail plate right here. Got a little gap in it. I don't like that gap. Theoretically speaking, even though I have a little gap, I still shouldn't hit, because I'm not gonna put a screw right here. I know where if you know where everything is, you wouldn't put a screw in that. But hey, somebody else working on it, and you never know.